Hey guys, so what I want to show you is kind of how this Hypro will kind of flange and adjust itself to the angle of the limb, and then once it's adjusted to that angle you can lock it in that position, so you don't have to manually play with the angle. You can kind of get it close, but then the machine kind of self-adjusts so you don't have any of this pinching going on. So right now we'll kind of show you a cut of that. So as you can see, I'm kind of close angle-wise, but what I'm going to do is get this thing connected here, and I am going to just squeeze, and you'll watch this thing will actually tilt itself a little bit. I'm going to change the brightness here. So it's grabbing now, and actually, yeah, that's a bad example. What I'm going to do is make believe it was all the way up, and then we grabbed and it wasn't at the right angle. Now when I activate the saw, you can see the machine actually moves back. So right now it's in free fall, and that is the correct angle that you want to be at. So we can lock that position. Now the position is locked through the electronic solenoid, and now we'll activate the saw. Going to hold that angle all the way through. And now we're basically through at that point. So just gonna, now if it is kind of catching like this, we can actually let go of that solenoid and let it free fall, and it'll break off a little bit. So that's kind of that motion right there. And if it's still a little connected, we'll give it a little twist and